Hi everyone, this is Amanda Dinscore and I'm the librarian for the Communication Department. I just wanted to make a quick video here today to show you how to access the ProQuest US Newsstream database and how to use that database to find movie reviews. So there's several different ways to access that database, but you do need to start from the library homepage. It's not available on the open web. It's only available to Fresno State students and to employees of Fresno State. So you do need to start at library.fresnostate.edu. Once you're here, you can go to databases down here. You know you need to get into the ProQuest US Newsstream database, and you can get to that by going to databases by subject and looking at newspaper databases, or you can go to the A to Z list here and look under U. You can also go up here to research and use the drop-down menu, go to research tools, and then databases A to Z. And then go click on U. And if you scroll down, that will take you to US Newsstream. And this is a news database, and it has US newspapers, including the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, Chicago Tribune, and others. So if you click on this, you may be prompted to log in with your username and password. It's just the first part of your Fresno State email and your email password. So the default view is the advanced search page, which is good. This is where you want to be. If you do end up in basic search, just make sure you switch over to advanced search. So I want to search for reviews of the movie Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Affiliate. Oop. Here we go, Sorcerer's Stone. Now, I could do the search and just like this, and I would get a lot of articles, I'm sure. I'd probably get articles about the book, book reviews, but I'd also get just articles where Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone is just mentioned in the text of the article. I would like to narrow it down to articles that are actual reviews of this movie. So I'm going to click over here under Anywhere, and I'm going to limit this search to document title. So right here under TI. And that'll ensure that all of the results will have Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone in the title of the article. So that makes it more likely that the article will be about this particular movie. And because I know that the movie came out in 2001, I can click on specific date range. I don't know the actual date, but I can limit it just by year. And I'll extend it to 2002 here. I don't have to put a month, I don't have to put a day, you can just limit it by year here. So if you keep scrolling down, now under source type, if you only want newspaper reviews, you can click on that. You can also extend it to magazine reviews and so on, but for this assignment, let's just click on newspapers. And then under document type, if you scroll down here, go all the way down to R and click on review. You can also limit your language search to English, but most of the results you're going to get in here are going to be in English, so I'm not going to do that. And then you can just click on search. So here we've only got 5 results, but hopefully these are very relevant results, and these are what I need. If you click on the title, you can get the full text of the article, and you'll see there's a little abstract here and then the full text. A lot of these movie reviews, depending on the movie that you choose, they may have very short reviews. It could only be a few sentences long, so it may not be an in-depth review. Just so you're aware of that, you may not, depending on the movie, sometimes some movies have not been written about that much or not analyzed very much, but this movie in particular does have some good reviews. If you go up here to save as PDF, you can have this downloaded for you. You can also click on Cite, this little quotation mark symbol, and you can have it cited in APA 6th. You can make some adjustments to update that to APA 7th. That isn't in this database yet, but that should be pretty easy to do. So you can just copy and paste this into your works cited list or wherever you need to have that citation. Okay, and then you can also email it to yourself if you'd like. So this is a pretty short review, but if you scroll down, here's one that's a little bit longer. This is from the Los Angeles Times. You'll see here this one has a pretty substantive review here. Okay. And you can see here what newspapers these articles are coming from if you just look underneath the title. Hartford Courant, South Florida Sun Sentinel, Chicago Defender, Los Angeles Times. That's where you can see where these are coming from. If you want to email all of these to yourself at once, you can click on this link and you'll have all of the items selected, or you can just click on them individually and then you can click on email and email those to yourself all at once. So I know some movies are going to be easier than others. As I mentioned, some movies really haven't been written about that much and some have. So if you do need some help with this, you can always send me an email at adinscore@csufresno.edu. It's adinscore@csufresno.edu. All right, good luck.